Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AXSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could say up here above $8.85. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that level, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 885 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as resistance levels and where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward at this point, and that's right up there at $9.40. At one point, the price, slightly got above it, but that didn't last very long. And then after that, you can see several times here the price tried to get above $9.40. Final 30 minutes of the day got right up around $9.40 once again and couldn't quite break through it. So I'm not saying $9.40 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that is being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but stay up above it. All in all, though, nice way to close out the week. We'll see what this win brings next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.